We'll guide you through how to add Dropbox to File Explorer so you can easily access your files right from your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Install section and download the Dropbox desktop application for Windows. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Dropbox credentials to log in. Now, Dropbox will automatically integrate with File Explorer. You can find it on the left sidebar under Quick Access or This PC, depending on your version of Windows. Click on the Dropbox folder to access your files. Any changes you make here will sync with the online version of Dropbox. If you want specific folders to always be available offline, right-click on the folder and select Smart Sync or Make Available Offline, depending on your preference. This ensures you can access important files even when you're not connected to the internet. If you have multiple Dropbox accounts, remember that by default, only one can be synced at a time with File Explorer, so choose the one you use most frequently. Adding Dropbox to File Explorer streamlines your workflow by giving you quick access to your files without needing to open your browser. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.